Everyone go Howling Peak.
Got the VC.
Everyone go Howling Peak at that
Everybody
rock.
go to Hollow Peak. Everybody go to Hollow Peak.
Come,
now.
hurry up.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Why are
Come
there
on.
still people at Swamp?
There's like one guy at Callahan Manor.
Oh shoot! We have
Oh,
a
that
problem,
horse nearly
Shadow.
just pushed everyone off, bro.
Shadow, we have a problem.
Yeah.
What?
Wait, turn on friendly fire. I'm gonna kill Granny.
Well, they just can just come here, bro.
Yeah,
They
it's
can just
fine.
walk.
It's fine.
No.
Wait, which
he
one's Granny?
doesn't
Is
have
Granny
a
the one at
horse.
Tribal? Is he the one at Tribal?
Nah.
No,
Everyone's
I'm at
nearly
Tribal.
here
He
anyway.
sees KY food.
Okay. Tell Granny to go.
No,
Manor.
everyone's
Granny
here,
to go.
bro. Everyone's here. There's
No,
just
no, no,
one
no, no,
guy.
no, 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 no. We'll just wait. It'll be still be better. Yeah, that's how you get you, bozo.
Idiot.
Alright. Dash, just come here. Just sack it off.
No,
Wait.
wait. I'm
Jump on my
taking.
head, Odin. Odin, jump on my
Okay,
head.
do it then. Hurry.
Wait, no. Jump on my head, Odin.
Did you do it, Dash?
It's
Did you do it?
bounty.
Odin, jump on my head.
No, not yet. Turn it on. Turn it back on.
Okay, hurry up.
Alright,
Okay,
done.
now come howling, and then we'll jump off at the same time.
Wait for Zane.
Yeah, wait for Zane as well.
I'm gonna record as well because I can get 60 FPS while recording in private servers.
I get a
What the hell
30.
is
Come on,
my
Odin.
Hurry up, you two.
Oh, man.
Okay, I kinda wanna be on the bottom, and I just wanna watch you guys slow down.
Okay, yeah. Well, you're gonna.
Just do it. I wanna just do this.
Are we gonna jump?
Yeah, wait for those two to come. Those two are coming. No one jump yet. Don't jump, you dumbass.
I got.
Learn and listen. Get your ass back up there.
He's gonna get
Back
stuck.
up there.
He's stuck.
Bro, who's jumping? Oh my god, bro.
Fucking idiots.
Bro, people don't listen nowadays. What is this? Go up.
Everybody go up.
Wait.
Just wait for those. Wait for everyone
low
else.
HP.
Everyone come up. Hurry up. Go up there. Hurry. Don't jump.
Hey guys, this is Nas Daily. I shot your mom.
I think it'd be better if I made it onto that rock.
I'm gonna take a nice picture.
Alright. Is that everyone?
Yeah, pretty much. Oh, Zane's still coming.
Okay, wait for Zane. I'm getting a good angle. Person on that horse, stop! Okay, you know what sacked you off, bro? You're an idiot.
Okay,
Alright.
let's go up.
Alright, let's go.
Wait, is that everyone?
Yes, it's everyone, go.
Jump. Okay, everyone jump off now.
Yeah. Oh my god, I didn't take damage. Granny's almost dead. Oh I hope nobody gets stuck. We better
So
not.
many
Ah,
people are gonna get stuck.
We're gonna get stuck.
Oh,
we're gonna
they're
get
stuck.
We're gonna
Look at the people that are stuck.
I didn't. Let's go. I didn't get stuck.
I didn't get stuck. There's so many that's stuck.
You guys want me to
God.
Go.
How many is stuck? I gotta check, bro.
Wait, I'll help you. Everyone that's stuck, I'll help you, don't worry. I'll help all of you. For my members.
Pull them out.
I'm pulling them out. Pull them. Bro, this is impossible. Bro, everyone lasso stand them out. Lasso them out. Try to lasso them out.
Oh my god.
Just kill him. Just put them out of their misery, bro.
Oh, who shot me?
Just kill them. Put them out of that misery.
Execution, bro. Perform execution.
perform execution, everybody. I'm performing
Mass execution.
Oh, I'm dead.
execution.
Bro, we just executed half our members. Alright.
Odin, get in my horse, Odin.
I'm falling down.
Are you falling down? Are you falling down?
Hello.
Ah,
Sorry.
dude, it's me. It is me. It's me. Bro.
Guys, let's do a race. Let's do a horse race.
Yeah, well, you wanna do a
Follow
horse
the
race that
train
man up?
Yeah, turn off
Yeah.
turn off friendly fire.
Listen, guys.
Well,